I'm Mariana Boccia, a certified floral designer, and today we're going to be filming for DP Flowers. They have incredible dry flowers available, and today we're going to learn how to create your own arrangement with this green color that they offer. So let's see your result. These beautiful dry flowers come in this presentation, so you just open your product when it goes to your home. We have 6 different type of flowers in this bunch. I like to open them, place all my flowers as soon as they get, and it's very versatile. You get to have it the whole year, whole season. So a lot of greenery. We choose this green vase just to have a monochromatic style. I find it very, very nice, and let's see how we want it. So you start with your creativity. You can mix. I'm going to mix a little bit here and just play with your flowers. Okay, so I just pick some of them and start adding to my dry flower foam. You can have maybe chicken wire as well, or just put it in your vase. So I'm going to go tall in this one. I don't know, I feel like I want to go tall. So the idea is to show you that with just one color, believe me, you can have an amazing design. This is do-it-yourself, so I wanted to show you how easy it is to work with them. You can place them diagonal as well. It's a good idea to cover up diagonal. So you place it diagonal, and it helps us cover even more. So it's okay if it takes your time. I don't know, for me it's so relaxing, and in case you see we go faster, it's because we are doing this step little by little. So also you will get to see in the bunches that you have different shades of the same color, which I find very nice, and different textures. Here we are filling in. It will last at least 3 years, so that's one of the great things about the dry flowers. And there are so many options and types here at DP Flowers. There are hundreds of products, amazing ones. Okay, I really want to see yours. Like, of course, I hope you send us. Yeah, this product is made for you, so you can. Hey, I noticed we haven't used our mushroom heads, so let's decide to start adding them. Working with this product, it's so great because it's like there is no right or wrong. Look at these mushroom heads. It really level ups the design. This is a 360 arrangement which means we need to cover all the areas all around. And let's say you finish your arrangement and you still have product. Maybe you use a little vase, like something like this, and you add some of them, and it's going to look very nice. So say you want to add here. We don't need to overthink much. It's just where you see a hole, where you feel like it can go great. Maybe you want to give some height. The idea is to have height, shapes, and different textures that with our product you already have, so you don't get bored, and it's very fun to like when you see your arrangement, you say, okay, this is fun, this is cute. So there is no excuse to have a very nice home with some details that give you another style. Remember, you can add fresh flowers if you have, or if you like, or artificial ones. So hope you enjoy it, and we keep doing more of them with other colors. See you soon.